Alright ladies and gentlemen, we are finished up at the gym. We are about to get a cold start on the absolute beast of a car. Here we go. Loads of cyclists today. They sound like tractors, which is weird for a 1.4 litre unleaded car. They sound so not what they are, which is awesome. I think it's so unique. I just love these cars. There's just something about them. When you tap a sport mode on, a completely different car. And I haven't even mapped this car yet. I can only imagine once this car's been mapped, it's going to be like a completely different animal. I want to know, for those of you who have mapped your cars, does the sound of your car change? Because if it's pushing out more power, it's working faster, things are moving a lot quicker, does that change the way the sound changes from the car? Like that turbo whistle, the engines, the exhaust sound, all these things that I have currently, is it going to change? Is it going to be a little bit different in terms of how it comes out? That's what I want to know. This is the big V8 I heard driving through town. Oh, listen. Sorry. Wow, they're just so smooth as well. So smooth. This is the Garrett turbo. I can only imagine with the IHR turbo what a difference. I mean, you know, the IHR is smaller, which means it'll be a lot more responsive. Oh, easy, Tiger. If you guys just saw the parallel parking I pulled off, I wish I had my camera on. That was unbelievable. What are your parallel parking skills? Let me know down below. Alright, so did a lovely parallel park to get in here. Now we need to try and somehow get out of here. Can we? Oh my gosh. We are going to open it up quite nicely here. still just so much legs, as in power. Even though you're in like you're underneath 2000 RPM in gear 3, and there's still, obviously the turbo kicks in, but it's such a juicy gear on this car anyway. I don't know if it's the same for you guys, but gear 3 is really a good spot for power. I've always said it. For those of you who do watch the videos, you guys will know. Gear 3 is probably my favorite gear in terms of the engine and turbo ratio. Got a tunnel coming up. Nice Mustang. We've got a Merc on our tail here. It's a pity we don't have some open road to give it a go. It probably needs it. Beautiful. Let me just pull up on here. Yeah, boy.
Damn, that's loud.
race course in these cars. They're just so nippy, especially in sports. It's just hugs and hugs and hugs. It's pretty safe. Oh, sounds of glory. Squeeze through here. Perks of a small car. Yep. Oh my god, look at that booty. Sheesh! That RS4 is nice. Meaty car. Alright guys, we're on the final leg of today's video. We have done many stops today. I've kind of taken you guys around town with me basically. And we've just finished at the car wash, so she should be nice and shiny. I know many of you would cringe to wash your car at something like that, but I unfortunately just don't have much of a choice. I mean, yes, I could get a bucket and some water, but it's just hard at where I live. I don't actually have a disposable tap outside the house, so yeah, very difficult. Anyways, car is clean. She's happier, that means I'm happier. There's a baths all over this place where I live. It's quite cool. I can count on probably one hand how many live just within my vicinity. It's awesome. Oh. Guys, this concludes the end of this video, guys. Please make sure to drop a like, please make sure to drop a subscribe, show your boy some love. Let's get this fired up. Another day in the life of what it's like to own an Abarth 595 Turismo. Let's go.